Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Start by making sure you have owner or edit rights on the target site. You need those to create and configure a list. Next, create a custom Sharepoint list and add essential columns. Status as choice, owner as person, due date as date. Once done, enable versioning and set item-level permissions if needed so changes track. You want a simple column set now. Later you will refine views and automations. This gets you a working data model to manage projects immediately. Now focus on organizing the data for daily use. Create 3 views: active, upcoming, and completed, each with filters and sort orders that surface the right items quickly. Then apply conditional formatting to highlight overdue tasks and group rows by owner or status so assignments are clear. Once those visual controls are in place, build Power Automate flows for notifications, due date reminders, and automatic status transitions. These reduce manual churn. Make sure each flow finish by validating the process. Create sample items, change owners, set due date, and mark complete to confirm notifications and view behavior. Once done, refine required fields and lock critical columns to prevent accidental edits. Then adjust permissions so stakeholders see only what they should. If things go wrong, check Power Automate Run History first for failed steps, then verify permission inheritance and confirm column types match expected values. Make small, iterative fixes. This keeps the list reliable and easy to adopt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.